I mentioned CDM 2015 and principal designers. So you as the client can fulfill these roles. However, we as architects have EI coverage. We're regularly dealing with these processes, so we have the experience to know what really is required for these regulations and for compliance. So typically we will fulfill that role of principal designer, and then that role will be sort of handed over to whoever is acting as the principal contractor. Once again, that is a role that you can fulfill, but just make sure that you are very aware of what these CDM regulations are and how you fulfill those as either a principal designer or a principal contractor or both.